which is over here. Beer and all tonight, right? That dangerous? Beer and stolen things? Probably. When you have the right tools, it goes a long way. All about your tools. Hey, it's just complicated. Which way does it go? I'm gonna go with it going inside. Boy, I tell you, here's your little screws. Yeah, 9 and 10. So probably taking this thing back apart is my guess. All right, got that. Say leave it loose. Now we're going to this bolt here. Take that out. Another one of these brackets right here. All right, so black bolt. And you see the spacer here. You can't use those because you're not thick enough, or I should say wide enough for the bolt. Pretty simple. There you go. Don't tighten these screws either. Get everything kind of set up. Pretty simple. So far things are going pretty simple, but I'm really worried about how the angles of the brackets are. That's my concern. Alright, looks like now the fun part starts. You start to put some brackets on left side, I think. Alright, the moment of truth, and I'm lucking out because these things are lining up. Kind of hard to do with my one hand, two hand, but you kind of see there it lines up. Lines up down there. How about that, huh? Making headway. Alright, here comes the attachment thingamajiggers. Making headway. Figure out get all these things to lock in, right? Wow. That went on a lot easier than I thought. This is actually pretty cool. You just literally lock in. Not hard at all. Definitely keep everything loose, for sure. Do the other side now. Alright, so what you do here is you slide on your bolt up here. And you have a little washer here. And you have to finagle around this little hooky thing here, which is hard to... Wow, look at that. Man, pretty cool. This is actually a really great setup. Not hard at all. And the brackets that I put on, I did it right. Kind of watch what I was talking about. You'll see that, but awesome. Let's see what's next, right? All right, now it's mounting this hardware so that this case catches. And there's all the hardware right here. So do all that. So there's my next project. All right, looky here. Look at the bag. She's making any progress. All right, looky here. Look at they do. They really do a great packaging job. And this is the right side. All right. We are making progress. This is exciting. Is that pretty cool or what, huh? I got a whole lock kit right here. So this is really nice. I like it. On black instead of the aluminum silver look. All right, now let's put some of these safety straps in. You know what? Hey, looky here. Pretty damn cool. I like it. Now we're gonna put in the locks. And I like how this thing slides off and on. It just unlocks here. This just literally pulls off this bracket. Very simple. Really cool. See there? How about that, huh? And then the back. And we're putting the safety straps so this thing doesn't break on you. What's nice is this is backwards. I have literally left this unlocked before. The picture you're going about 50, 60 miles an hour, and this flips up, and you just rip it off. And you have your, destroy your case. So I'm glad they do it reverse. Other bikes have that option, front and back. Wow, hope you have a whole set of Torx. This is ridiculous. This should just be a Phillips. Torx. Good Lord. All right, down the home stretch. Putting the locks in, pretty simple. But that tumbler goes up. into there. And then, doggies always like to bark when I start talking on my phone. So get that little rubber ring. And you take this here and you slide it this way. Okay. It goes in the bottom there. Slide it until it catches it. You can see that underneath there. It slides right in there and catches it. Same thing here. You slide. It's just real simple. You always go. There's a little notch right here. That wants to catch in there like that. Just make sure you do that right. And really just slides right in. Nothing difficult, right? Each little rubber ring kind of lined up there. And then you take and push this clip into there. Hopefully you get a little better idea of what you see there. It slides up in there. All right, you're done. Now, they do warn you 80-mile-an-hour speeds plus probably isn't the best idea. You know, would I go off-road and hard on this? I don't know, man. A little loose, you ask me. Put gear in there. It's kind of a little concerning, but it is what it is.